What's going on, everybody? Now, it's been a little bit because my dad had surgery on his hand. He had carpal tunnel down in his hand, not in his wrist. He came by this morning and explained to me how to finish putting the engine together. So what I got left to do, I got to go through all 8 and put the piston pin snap rings in on either side. Scat rotating assembly. I have 1 done. I have 7 to go. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go through and put the O-rings on. As you see, this one's already done. The O-ring, then the secondary compression ring, and then the top compression ring. I got to put it all of them on the other 7 pistons. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to come over here to the engine, clean it off. Got to spray some brake cleaner on it, and then go through, make sure it's all cleaned up and all the dirt. There's some loose dirt on top of it. Flip it over, make sure that's sprayed out too. Then I'm going to put the crankshaft in it with the bearings, the main bearings, then the rod bearings after I get the pistons put in. What I'll do, put the pistons in. This is the piston snap ring, wrist pin snap ring. That's what those are. And this is some pliers for the piston rings themselves. Got to be careful you don't open them too far because they will break. Now, that's the next step to do on these pistons. And as you see, don't know if it'll pick it up. You can see maybe right here, that little dot on the top 2 rings. They have a dot that goes to the top of the piston. This is a 400 small block, 2-bolt main. This original engine to the car. I got a standard size. I could have gone to a bigger size piston. Bored the block out. I didn't want to do all that. Save money. It was unnecessary because the block checked out to be okay. So, people do it. They bore it out to go bigger, for more power. But I'm traditionalist or purist, whatever. Unless it needs it, I'm not going to do it. If I want more power, get a bigger cam. Start out that way. Get a bigger cam. Of course, spend the money, get a bigger, bore the block out too. Sure, I could do that. I didn't want to. But if you're asking why the fender is taken off, it had wrinkles on it. You'll see in some of the other videos that I've posted, it had the car had hit something. I'm not sure what. I have no idea. The people I bought it from, they had no idea. The car sat on the dirt in Nebraska for 26 years. And they bought it, and then I found the paperwork, did the math. But that's why it's off, so I can take a hammer and clean it out. So take a hammer and beat the wrinkles out of it, and you'll see the finished product later. But right now, that's what I'm doing. Putting the piston snap rings in, then the rings, then flip the block over, put the crank with the bearings in, and that's what I'm up to next. I would show you to do it, but Mrs. is letting me know the baby's awake, so I gotta go tend to him. But that's it for now. Thank you.